Horses out of Sunday Street. Past the begin, moving up on the outside is Stone Pace. Bullseye down on the inside and followed by Pure Energy. And Mika's Pride is the early trailer. Bullseye and Stone Pace fighting it out for the lead. Alan Canahan in third. Sunday Street moving up. Pure Energy on the outside third. And Mika's Pride still in fifth. And that's still Bullseye and Stone Pace on the outside. Coming close now in 30 Sunday Street. Dropping back in for Pure Energy and Mika's Pride. Bullseye and Stone Pace keep on fighting it out for the lead. Sunday Street now the outside. The last day come down to the last 200. Bullseye, Stone Pace on the outside. Sunday Street on about the outside. Stone Pace takes the lead down on the inside. It's Bullseye. Sunday Street on the outside. Stone Pace. Sunday Street pulling up on the outside. It's now Sunday Street, Bullseye, and finally Sunday Street, Bullseye, Stone Pace. Then comes Mika's Pride and Pure Energy.
Tama si
Lap-lap.
Lap-lap.
Sondan. At